In this video, we'll learn how to create an Amazon EBS volume and attach it to an EC2 instance. EBS provides block-level storage that can be mounted as a file system and is commonly used for databases, log storage, and machine learning data processing workloads. Let's get started. First, launch an EC2 instance in the free tier. Be sure to assign an availability zone, AZ, when launching, because the EBS volume and EC2 instance must be in the same AZ in order to attach successfully. For this demo, we'll proceed without a key pair. Next, let's create an EBS volume. Go to the EC2 volume section and click Create Volume. Choose a volume type such as GP3 or GP2, and set the size. Make sure you select the same availability zone as your EC2 instance, then give the volume a name, such as MLEBS Lab, and create it. Once the volume is created, you'll see it listed in the volume section. Now, let's attach this EBS volume to the EC2 instance. With the volume attached, we're ready to connect to the instance. Use EC2 Instance Connect to open a terminal session on the instance. Inside the instance, we'll now format and mount the new EBS volume. Let's test it by creating a file on the new volume. Switch to superuser mode and write a simple text file. sudo su echo mounted EBS volume /mnt/ebs/test.txt. If you navigate to /mnt/ebs, you'll see that the test.txt file was successfully created. This confirms that the EBS volume is correctly attached and accessible from the EC2 instance. This concludes the exercise. As a best practice, always delete the resources you created, including the EBS volume and EC2 instance, to avoid unnecessary charges.